Hey everyone, welcome back to Pro Product Comparison. Trying to pick your first DJ controller? Or upgrading to something more specific? The Pioneer DJ DDJ-FLX4 and DDJ-REV1 are two of the most popular choices, but they're built for very different purposes. Which one will truly elevate your DJ journey? This video provides a definitive, fact-based, and unbiased comparison to help you make the best decision for your needs. By the end, you'll know exactly which Pioneer DJ controller deserves your hard-earned money. Let's kick things off with software compatibility and overall layout, a major differentiator. The DDJ-FLX4 is a versatile chameleon, offering free hardware unlocks for both Pioneer DJ's own Rekordbox software for PC/Mac and Serato DJ Lite. Crucially, it also supports Rekordbox for iOS and Android, allowing you to DJ from your smartphone or tablet via USB-C or even Bluetooth, a massive pro for portability and modern workflows. Its layout is designed to mirror Pioneer DJ's professional club standard gear, making the transition to larger setups seamless for aspiring club DJs. In contrast, the DDJ-REV1 is exclusively focused on Serato DJ Lite, with no native Rekordbox support. While it can be upgraded to Serato DJ Pro with a paid license, its core strength lies in its unique battle-style layout. The tempo sliders are horizontal and located above the decks, and the performance pads are shifted into the mixer section, emulating a traditional turntable and battle mixer setup. This is a pro for scratch DJs but can be a con for those aiming for a more conventional mixing style. If you're already leaning towards the DDJ-FLX4, you can find the latest deals and full specs via our link in the description. Next, let's talk jog wheels and performance features. The DDJ-FLX4 features responsive 111.6mm jog wheels, suitable for general mixing and light scratching. It introduces Pioneer's innovative smart mixing tools. Smart Fader automatically adjusts volume, bass, and BPM for smooth transitions with just the crossfader, and Smart CFX lets you apply multiple effects with a single knob turn. These are fantastic pros for beginners, helping them sound polished quickly. For effects, it uses traditional button-style beat FX. The DDJ-REV1, however, boasts significantly larger 154mm jog wheels, a huge pro for dedicated scratch DJs, offering more tactile control and precision for turntablism techniques. It replaces the traditional effects buttons with dynamic lever FX paddles, allowing for quick, momentary effect application, which many scratch DJs prefer. It also includes unique features like tracking scratch, which automatically returns the track to the cue point when the jog wheel movement stops, and Scratch Bank pad mode for instant scratch sample loading. These are clear advantages if scratching is your primary focus. To truly experience the scratch capabilities of the DDJ-REV1, check out the dedicated link below. When it comes to connectivity and build, both controllers are USB bus powered, meaning they draw power directly from your computer, which is a convenient pro for portability. Both offer a single 1/4-inch TS microphone input, and critically, both allow you to mix the microphone audio directly with your master output, making live streaming incredibly straightforward, a major plus for content creators. They also feature RCA master outputs and a 3.5mm headphone jack. The DDJ-FLX4 expands on this with two USB-C ports, one for PC/Mac connection and a second for additional power or for charging your mobile device while connected. This multi-device support, including Bluetooth connectivity, truly sets it apart for modern mobile setups. The DDJ-REV1 relies on a single USB-B port and does not offer Bluetooth or mobile device compatibility, which can be a con for DJs wanting to use tablets or phones. So, after a thorough breakdown, which Pioneer DJ controller is the ultimate choice? The Pioneer DJ DDJ-FLX4 emerges as the undisputed champion for the vast majority of aspiring DJs. Its dual software compatibility with Rekordbox and Serato, groundbreaking mobile device support including Bluetooth, and incredibly helpful smart mixing features make it the most versatile, user-friendly, and future-proof beginner controller on the market. It perfectly balances learning the fundamentals with modern convenience. However, if your absolute priority is scratching and battle DJing, then the DDJ-REV1 is still an excellent choice and might be perfect for you. Its larger jog wheels, battle-style layout, and unique scratch-focused features are unmatched in its price segment. But for general mixing, club-style aspirations, and cross-platform flexibility, the FLX4 simply offers more. Whether you're ready to upgrade to the DDJ-FLX4 or the DDJ-REV1 better fits your lifestyle, you can find both products, with their latest pricing and detailed specifications, conveniently linked directly below in the description. If this in-depth, factual comparison helped you cut through the noise and make an informed decision, please hit that like button, leave a comment letting us know which product you're choosing, and subscribe to Pro Product Comparison for more unbiased reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.